really light start to the day today. But I wanted to take you guys along for a shop with me real quick for some Christmas stuff and grocery shopping and whatever else it is that we are doing today. I'm looking for some specific things for Christmas. So we are going to Target. Not for you.
Yes, huh?
And we are going grocery shopping. So yay, let's go. Cool, bro.
You look cool.
I guess we have to get you in the picture, huh? We have to get little Everett in the video too. Look how cute these are. I opted for these instead. So between the 10-year-old attitude, me spilling a whole bag of breast milk on my pants, and coffee spilling everywhere, I'm not sure which was more eventful while we were gone, but it made me think, man, maybe I should have just stayed home today. Got some stuff at Target, went grocery shopping, even though that was a whole ordeal. Now I'm unloading, Junior's unloading. I'm gonna put the stuff away tomorrow. Tomorrow we will decorate, not today. Not today. Yeah, I think the coffee one was what did me in, but we're gonna get it done at some point this week, promise. So day 2 of the Christmas decorate with me, and there's no decorating the kitchen yet. None of my stuff has come yet. I got some stuff from Target, but I just got a wreath from Target for the barn door, pantry door. And then I got just a little odd end things, but I'm waiting for my wreaths to go around the kitchen. So I'm gonna put some wreaths on the hutch and some wreaths on the, like the mini wreaths on the cabinets. Not all the cabinets, just some of them. And then do a few other little odd end things. Our house is like complete disaster half the time because it's very, very small and we have so much stuff. And there are multiple different things like projects getting done. Oh my gosh. Look, do you see that? Do you see that red under there? That is Kit Kat wrappers. That is what happens when your 10-year-old decides to eat candy, and instead of putting the wrappers in the trash, he hides them so nobody will see them. Also, obviously, I need to dust under there. So anyhow, as I was saying, my stuff hasn't come. I think it's supposed to come tomorrow. So, yeah. Waiting. So, I just got the email saying that my stuff's not gonna get here until Monday. Monday, the second week of December. What's the point in decorating if it's the second week of December? If you're watching this the second week of December and you're decorating, I'm sorry. I just want to get it done before then. So you know what? We're gonna clean and we're gonna get stuff done. And if I still need the stuff I ordered by the time I'm done, then I'll use it. If not, I'll send it back. So the living room's a mess. This actually fell off of the bookshelf. There's work stuff, there's Christmas stuff, there's books that have to go on the shelf, there's this, I don't even know what it is. Listen, you guys have seen this. This whole area, ooh, right here is my problem area. Everybody comes in, they dump their crap. Sorry, I said crap. They dump their stuff and yeah, it's, oh look, there's a baby and a puppy. Anyhow, it's not god awful, but it's got to get fixed. So let's get started.
Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. Oh, la, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Something's tugging at my sleeve. I do believe it's Christmas. It's cold outside, but I'm warm within. 'Cause Christmas time is here. Playing in the snow, a merry game they play, chasing each other to and fro, laughing all the way. Oh, what a jolly time to have the whole family here for a few days of love and grace. But when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, actually was on a Christmas day. You came my way that once upon a long ago. The Bethlehem star must have shown the way that led you to me. Now from our love and a little help from above, we've raised our little clan like it's part of the master plan. Still, when Christmas has gone, it'll be another year. When Christmas has gone, when Christmas has gone.
So to be honest, I have no idea when putting this video together, like what clips are what day was what. It took clear over a week and a half. Almost, actually, I think it took 2 weeks for the decorations from the Black Friday sale to get here. And by that time I was over it. Like, I didn't even care about the decorations. I didn't even really need them. So I did decide to keep them just in case I want to use them, or they're actually pretty neutral, so I can use them for pretty much any season. But I was really disappointed in how long it took them to get here. Like, people that were shopping on Black Friday for Christmas decorations, I hope they got theirs a lot sooner than I did from this company, because it's a big brand and it should like have been here much quicker than it got here. So basically I got up what I wanted to get up, very minimalistic this year, and it's just because that's the season of life that we're in. And if you are in that season of life this year, work it, own it, because it is liberating to not have any type of mom guilt or Christmas decorator guilt. Like, oh my goodness, it's wonderful. I do love having decorations up because I want it to feel pretty festive. I have a peeper looking at me. I love it being festive in here. I love my wreath on my pantry. I think it looks great. I think I'm gonna keep it up all winter long. I didn't get those little wreaths up on the cabinets that I wanted to do. Those were what was taking forever to get here. In fact, I haven't even gotten them all yet. I got some of them, but not all of them. It was just very confusing, a very horrible customer service experience that I've ever had online. Now we have ducklings hatching, and that's going to be another video for another day, probably next week, so I can show you that whole process. And it's just been a busy last few weeks, so I hope you enjoyed our minimalistic Christmas decorations and getting ready for Christmas with me. We have gifts already under the tree from grandparents and family members that sent them home to us so our kids can open them on Christmas morning, and it is just, it's getting full in here. So I hope that you guys have a great day, have a great time getting ready for the holiday, and remember the real reason for this season this year. And it is not presents and gifts and decorations, it is Jesus and his birth. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy homesteading, happy homemaking, and Merry